Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to set a PIN lock for a profile on Prime Video. If you share a Prime Video account with others and want to restrict access to a specific profile, you can protect it with a profile lock PIN. Once the PIN is set, you will need to enter it before accessing the profile on any device, including mobile, TV, and web browsers. This is useful if you have multiple users on the same account and want to prevent unauthorized access to certain profiles, such as a child's profile or a personal profile with specific watch history and recommendations. To set up a profile lock, you need to access Prime Video through a web browser. This cannot be done directly through the mobile app or a smart TV, so make sure you're using a computer or mobile browser. Open any browser and go to primevideo.com. Sign in to your Amazon Prime Video account by entering your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once you are signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Manage Profiles. This will take you to a page where all the profiles linked to your account are displayed. On the Profiles page, you will see an Edit Profile option. Click on it and then select the profile you want to lock. If you have multiple profiles, make sure to select the correct one, as each profile needs to be locked individually. Once you are on the Edit Profile page, you will see a section labeled Account PIN and Locks. Next to it, tap the Manage button. This will open the Create Account PIN screen. Here, you will be asked to enter a 4-digit PIN. Choose a PIN that you can remember but is not easy for others to guess. Avoid using simple combinations like 1234 or 0000. Once you have entered your desired PIN, click Continue. Now that the PIN has been successfully created, the next step is to enable the Profile Lock feature. You will see a toggle switch labeled Profile Lock. Turn it on to activate the lock. This means that from now on, whenever someone tries to access this profile, they will be required to enter the PIN before they can proceed. After switching Profile Lock to On, tap Save to confirm your changes. Once saved, the Profile Lock PIN will be applied across all devices linked to your Prime Video account. If the PIN does not take effect immediately, your device may need a refresh to recognize the updated settings. To do this, simply switch to another profile and then switch back to the locked profile. This will force Prime Video to update its settings on your device. Now, whenever you or anyone else tries to access the locked profile, Prime Video will prompt for the PIN before allowing entry. This is an effective way to prevent unauthorized users from accessing certain content, ensuring privacy and parental control over different profiles. If you ever want to change or remove the PIN, you can follow the same steps and update the PIN from the Manage Profiles section. If you forget the PIN, you may need to reset it using your Amazon account credentials. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.